Hello and welcome back to Gilbert's Repairs. Today we've got an engine management light on the Ford Ka. So we're going to plug in with the tools and the diagnostic equipment that I've got available to me and see whether we can diagnose and fix the fault. If you found it useful today and it gives you the confidence to carry out the task yourself, could you like, subscribe and share? Right, let's get on with it. So there's our engine management light. So we're now getting on our app and have a look, see what it is. Diagnostic ports down here. It's got my little dongle type thing. Plug them in. We've got some sparkly lights on it, so it's working. We've got power. So now we'll connect via the iPad. Right, I'm plugged in now. I'm on the app. It's connected, as you can see there. So I'll go up onto Diagnostics. And we've got one stored code, so there we go. So we'll read the code. And it's coming up with a P0340. So P0340. So camshaft position sensor. That's the one on the rocker cover, the one on the camshaft. Right. So we'll have a look under the bonnet. Right, so this one is the camshaft position sensor. They do break down. I'm going to unload the parts cannon on it. I'm just going to change the sensor, and then if it goes away, we'll monitor it. If not, we'd have to look a bit deeper and check the circuit out, because it could be something. All it's saying is there's something wrong with that circuit. It could be sensing a problem, or there could be something wrong with the wiring. But I'll do a little part swap. I'll get a new sensor and bang it in. Right, I've been and got the new one. So here's the new sensor. We'll check it. It physically looks the same. These are only like a magnet pickup, that's all they are. And here is a main dealer one. I would recommend you get a genuine part whenever you're changing a sensor, because some of the cheap ones, they're out of the parameters. So there's that sticker for you. And then here's probably the important one. That's what you're going to need to buy. So there's a quick swap over. I'll do that now. So we got a 10mm bolt head there. Probably a 6mm thread. Looks like a self-tapping wood screw in there. And then these just slide out. I think it's just on the O-ring, look. So we'll unplug him, push that metal ring down, slide him out. That was nice and easy. Let's see if there's any sludge or contaminants on this, the back side of this, because it's like a magnet. No, so he's there's nothing out of the ordinary there, nothing nasty. So this sensor is probably just out of its parameters. So when you fit in the new one, I've got just a bit of engine oil, just an oil and filter change on this car, as well as this fault I'm doing. So smear a bit of oil, bit of engine oil on there, on the O-ring, so he doesn't pick up, so that and then bed him in like that and make sure that the O-ring's okay. There we go. So we'll put the single secure and screw back. Don't over tighten this, just a nip up, because you're putting into a plastic. There we go. I'm ginger there, gingerly doing it. So there's our new sensor. We'll plug in. There we go. So hopefully our faults should go away. Sometimes the faults won't go away unless you clear it using the app, so using your Diagnostics. Right, so we'll see if the light goes out. May take a couple of seconds of running if he is going to go out or not. So this is the light we're after. Yeah, so he's not going to go out, so we may have to reset it. Right, so we've got him there. The light is still on. So we'll go back into Diagnostics. We'll read the code again. So it is still a current code. So now we'll clear the codes. Yes. And we'll try to start him up. So now it's no codes found. We'll give him a start and see if that light goes out. I hope it does. Yes, there we go. So the light's gone out now. So there he is. So we'll just monitor it, you know, because potentially it's not just that sensor, it could be something else. So the sensor could just be doing its job, but it's gone out now, so we'll call that a fix. Okay, so there we have it. It was the crankshaft sensor. No, it was not. Okay, so there we have it. It was the camshaft sensor that was playing up. I think it's the sensor that's out of tolerance, and that's what's brought up the management light. Something to note, and it's a worthy note with this, always buy genuine parts when you're buying a sensor. If you buy non-genuine parts, they are cheap, and sometimes they're out of tolerance before you even fit it. So stay with the main dealer, the genuine parts. Anyhow, if you've found this useful and it's been helpful to you and give you the confidence to carry out the task yourself, could you please like, subscribe and share. I'll get you next time.